I'm Rishim Sachdeva, chef and founder of Tendril, a mostly vegan kitchen and bar. Here's sourdough with mushroom broth, mushroom parfait, and grilled oyster mushrooms. We get our chestnut mushrooms, we ferment them for a week, we turn them into a puree, then dehydrate them, turn them into a powder so that we can use that umami to be incorporated in the toast. And then we get oyster mushrooms and we marinate them in a really simple chipotle dressing. The mushrooms get marinated in that, they just get popped on the grill. The sourdough bread, we just soak the bread in the fermented mushroom broth, then grill it so it kind of absorbs the flavor, has really strong umami on it. And then we follow that up with a mushroom parfait that's made with all the trimmings we have left over from all the mushrooms. So you start off with your grilled bread, which is soaked in the broth, put that on the plate, lay the bread up with mushroom parfait. That kind of starts to soak in a little bit because the bread is still crunchy on the outside but a little moist on the inside. So that mushroom parfait kind of gets soaked in. Then the chipotle mushroom goes on top, which has got a nice level of spice and a bit more of depth to it. And then we kind of finish it with herbs on top. And here's sourdough with mushroom broth, mushroom parfait, and grilled oyster mushrooms.